Miscommunication is costing businesses $1.2 trillion per year. Larger firms are losing $65 million. Smaller firms, $420,000 per 1,000 people. Most professionals are good communicators. Almost none are precise ones. That is the gap I'm here to close. I'm Tabitha Wells, precision communication coach and founder of the Silversword Institute. I've spent 10 years teaching hundreds of people about language and communication. I've spent 7 years as a marketing professional across major brands and as a head of content. At 23, I pitched an original television series to a streaming service. I understand how language works, but more crucially, I understand how to make ideas land in a room full of people that didn't ask for them. I'm building Silversword with one mission: to help you sound like the smartest version of yourself. That's why I work with professionals, founders, and businesses, because you deserve to sound as sharp as you think. After working with me, clients don't simply communicate better. They know they can achieve anything they want by saying the right words in the right moment. If you're ready to invest in your future, start today at silverswordinstitute.com.